Hello students, welcome to the online session for the subject of industrial safety. We are now completed module number 1, module number 2, module number 3 and module number 4. Now we have now entered into the module number 5. There the topics regarding the maintenance, type of maintenance, methods of maintenance are going to be discussed. So we will be having the brief discussion on such type of topics related to maintenance. So yes, we have already completed module number 4 and we will be proceeding with the module number 5. What is maintenance? Or we can say that why maintenance is required. Maintenance is required to remove all the wear. To prevent the wear on the machine, the maintenance is required so that the surface will get clean and the maintenance will be less as far as possible. And if the maintenance is more, then the wearing of the surface will be lesser. And ultimately, the efficiency of the machine will be increased, the design life of the machine will be increased. So, yes, maintenance is the process of timely maintaining the machine. And why it is used? It is mainly used for the purpose of increasing the design life of the equipment. It is used for the increasing the productivity of the equipment. It is used to increase the quality of the productivity of the equipment, and it is also used for the easy working of the workers with that machine. Yes, maintenance is the work that is mainly carried out to preserve the asset. The asset can be in this form of boiler or any kind of a machine, a miller, boiler, or the any other machine. In order to enable it continuous use, means it is just used continuously at the minimum acceptable level of performance. Means with the lesser chances of the damage, and as a result over its design life without unforeseen renewal or major repair of its activity. So mainly during its design life, with the least occurrence of the problem, with the least obstruction in its performance, it can be used. So that is why maintenance is being done. Reason of the maintenance, yes, I have just discussed earlier, but yeah, it is some reasons that is being found. So maintenance services protects the owner's real estate investment, means physical integrity, risk management, aesthetic preservation and responsible stewardship. Means physical integrity means the cassette will be good in working, it is be good in working, so that there will be minimum amount of obstruction, disruption and the downtimes of the machine. Means it is generally used throughout its design life. Next is risk management. To keep the asset in a state of a good repairing of the repairing is required to be done. So means if we want that the machine is in good condition throughout its design life, then maintenance is required. Next is aesthetic preservation. Aesthetic means the material should look good from its aesthetics throughout its life, and that can be only be achieved with the help of maintenance. So, in order to prevent the deterioration of the machine, the maintenance is required to be done, and as a result, the appearance will look good. Next is responsible stewardship. Means to ensure that the asset achieve their full potential service life. Means it will be means whatever the life for whatever life it is designed, it should be remain working through design life, and that can be done only with the help of the reason of and responsible stewardship. That can be only done with the help of the maintenance. Duty of care means to satisfy the legislated duty, that is own to own, occupants to occupants, guest to property. Means if it is being sold to another person, then he can also get the property, that he can also get the chance to on the money to the new owner. So that is also duty to mitigate, to prevent the necessary damage to asset that may result in their premature failure. So yes, means by we can say that by maintaining it properly, the premature failure will never take place. That is very much helpful to the asset. Types of the maintenance. There are maintenance are discussed over here. That is breakdown maintenance, preventive maintenance. So periodic maintenance, preventive maintenance also is divided into two parts. That is periodic maintenance and predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance also that is a part of conditioning and monitoring. And next is corrective maintenance. Breakdown maintenance means the people used to wait until the equipment will fail and repairing will takes place. Such type of thing will never affect the operation or production or generate a significant loss to the repair cost. So if the maintenance is done in such a way, then it can be termed as the breakdown maintenance. Next is preventive maintenance. Means we will prevent the occurrence of the disruption. It is a daily maintenance. Means the maintenance is done daily. It is cleaning. Proper inspection is done daily. The oiling and the retightening of the bushing and the bearing is done properly to retain the healthy condition of the equipment and prevent the failure throughout the day. Okay, and from the means mainly we are preventing it from the deterioration and just by doing the periodic inspection, and if it is found then we can go for the proper diagnosis. Proper preventive measure should be taken and the measure of the deterioration should also be done. So these are all the things that are involved in the preventive measures that are done daily, and the growth of the damage should be measured, and to that extent the preventive measures should be adopted. It is further divided into periodic maintenance and predictive maintenance, just like human life. Means life is extended by preventive maintenance. The equipment services can also be prolonged by doing preventive maintenance. Periodic maintenance. It is just a time-based maintenance. Means it is regular at regular time interval. We have to maintain it properly. So yes, by inspecting we can maintain it, by servicing we can maintain it, by cleaning the equipment and replacing the parts to prevent certain failure. So by this we can prevent the failure. That is the next is the predictive maintenance. This is a method in which the service life is important. Means we have to predict the failure and to diagnose it early. So, so prediction is just done based on that inspection or diagnosis is done. And by this the parts to the limit it will be limited to the service life only compared to the periodic maintenance. Preventive maintenance is condition based maintenance, and it manages the trends well by analyzing the data about the deterioration. Condition monitoring is generally a process of determining the condition of the machinery while it is operation. Means we can say that by knowing what to listen for, how to interpret, what to put into this knowledge. These are all the monitoring programs that are the that a proper successful condition monitoring program includes. By adopting such programs, a problem can be cured in a proper way. And this condition for monitoring not only helps in the plant personnel reduce the possibility of catastrophic failure also. By doing so the catastrophic means sudden failure will also get prevented, and as a result by doing so the legs of the people will get protected. And by this you can schedule the manpower, you can schedule the machine, you can schedule the plans of the repairs. Corrective maintenance, it improves the equipment and components so that the maintenance can be carried out reliably. And if the equipment is designed weak, means it is not proper design, then it should be designed again. And as a result, the reliability of the equipment can be increased and improving the maintainability. So yes, we have just started the module number 5. We have go through what is the maintenance, what why we are going through maintenance, because it's just a procedure to secure our a machine and to make certain actions to prevent it from getting weird. So yes, that is the maintenance and different types of maintenance we have discussed. That is product preventive maintenance, periodic maintenance, all the other types of the maintenance is being discussed in this session. So yes, we have started the fifth module. We are in the last module of this subject syllabus. So yes, thanks for attending my session. This is Professor Akasar Suthar. See you in the next session. Till then, thank you. And if you have any kind of a question or doubts, you can uh, you can send me on my chat so we can solve them. Okay. Yes. So yes, thanks for attending my session. See you.